In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the message that says this channel can't be displayed on Telegram. This is a common issue that can happen on Telegram web or even in the app, and the good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your phone number and complete the verification process so you can access your Telegram settings. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all the main account options, including privacy controls and content preferences. Once the settings page opens, click Privacy and Security. That's the section we need because the issue is often related to sensitive content filtering. Now scroll down until you find the sensitive content section. In this area, look for an option that says Disable Filtering. If this option is available on your account, turn it on. This can help Telegram show content that was previously hidden or blocked by filtering restrictions. After enabling that setting, refresh Telegram web. You can do this by reloading the page in your browser or closing and reopening the tab if needed. Then go back and try opening the channel again. In many cases, the channel will now display normally after the filtering setting has been changed. If the message still appears after turning off filtering and refreshing, then the issue may not be on your side. The channel could be restricted in your region, or it may be unavailable for your specific account. In that case, there may not be a setting inside Telegram that can fully fix it, because the content may be blocked by location or platform restrictions. If you're still having trouble, you can also try logging out and back in, switching browsers, or checking whether the same channel opens on another device. Sometimes that helps confirm whether the issue is account-related, browser-related, or region-related. And that's it! You now know how to check Telegram sensitive content settings and troubleshoot that this channel can't be displayed error. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple fixes and Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.